I never believed that a day would come where I'll begin to doubt if OpenAI will lead everything AI in the future. I could be wrong, but I think anybody can lead if you've not been paying attention. Warren Buffett recently invested about $4 billion in Google, and Apple recently struck a deal with Google as well, worth $1 billion. Google is well positioned for the future of AI. If you're a small business owner or you're a professional who wants to develop your skill in the AI space, Google is the way to go. In this video, I'm just going to show you some tools and where you can catch up with updates on anything Google is releasing, so you'll be the first person to try it out before anybody else does, and you always be ahead of the curve. One of the awesome tools that Google has that I've seen a lot of product managers, project managers, engineers, executives, and a lot of smart people, so to say, that I've seen them use is NotebookLM. Remember how you have to create a custom GPT every time you want to build an agent that can carry out a specific task on ChatGPT? With NotebookLM, you can get that feature, but the good thing is it has a lasting impact because now you have all of your sources in one place. You can upload your business plan, you connect your website, you put resources, and then prompt out things that you want to get out of it. The good thing is you can use it to create assets. You can create flashcard, infographics, slide deck, and a lot of assets for your business. If you're a small business owner, I would recommend that you start using NotebookLM, or if you're a startup founder and you're thinking of how to expand your ideas, or you want to get meeting summary, or you want to get new strategies, then NotebookLM is probably the way to go, because now NotebookLM have information about your business. It can create assets for you, and it can recommend strategies for you as well. This is the landing page where you can explore everything that Google is building in the AI space. You're going to see the products, research, everything that Google is building right now. And the URL is ai.google/product. You're going to see their productivity tools for content creation, video editing, content editing, and all those cool stuff. And if you're a student, you can also see some really cool stuff on how you can use all of these features for your study. If I were in your shoes, I'll be exploring everything that Google is building right now, because Google is not slowing down. There is more to come, and using all of this platform is cheap. I personally believe that AI is as good as the person that's using it. If you can think of awesome use cases, then you can push all of these tools to new limits. I hope you find this video useful. I make videos that help people understand AI. I do product demos. Check out some of my other videos, and make sure to share this video with your friend who is interested in AI or is already in the field and is looking for resources. See you next time.